Hey there, so if you have the problem with your Kodak PixPro FZ55 not turning on, I found this on Reddit. Maybe it's going to help you. I think I may have found this out. It worked for me at least. What I did was simply take out the battery and put it back in again. Before I also couldn't even upload my pictures, but after I did that it worked completely fine. Not sure if it was just pure luck for me, but I'm hoping it will work for you as well. So that's what you want to do. Maybe it's going to help you, or even completely changing the batteries, like having a new one. And you're gonna write here like the spare battery.